In this video, I'll talk about how you can earn free money using the Temu affiliate program. Now, the way that this works is you search for Temu affiliate, you open this, and you sign up to be an affiliate. Now, after this, what you gotta do is you wanna come in here and sign up, get your affiliate, and then you'll have these affiliate links. So the way that you can earn money with this is you wanna copy this link and you want to send it to your friends, or if you have a following somewhere, and if they use this link to sign up, you'll get commissions as well as download rewards. So you can see here, for new app users, you will be able to get money. So you'll get 10 to 30% commission on orders placed within 30 days of your referral downloading the app, as well as you'll get 10 euros, it's about $11 or $12, for every referral who downloads and orders. So that is basically how it works. You can click on the details here to read more details about it, but that is how it works. In here you can invite affiliates. So if you want to invite someone to be an affiliate, you can earn up to 35 euros, it's about $40, if you invite a new affiliate who has over 1,000 followers. So these are ways that you can earn money for free on Temu. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.